Hey y'all, it's me, Slay by Jordan. And the company we'll be working with today is Elfin Hair. They sent me over a undetectable transparent lace front wig, 20 inches body wave, and it is a 250% density wig. Now I'm just showing you everything that came inside the packaging. They give you a brush, a comb, wig caps, information cards, do's and don'ts. They give you lashes, an extra adjustable band. They give you a whole lot of goodies, so I really can appreciate that. So this wig features 4 combs in the inside, 3 just behind the frontal and 1 in the back. It has the normal adjustable strap at the bottom of the wig, and it also has another adjustable strap in the middle of the wig, so you can definitely very much so do a glueless installation. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. This came out so amazing. I am loving this. This is just giving me grown, sexy woman vibes, period. I thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Goodbye.